yard that we. And I know watch another peep, I peep. My girlfriend yard that we. Too much bad mind a road, hypocrite out a street. Heigl is bring Heigl company. Never listen.
What inspired this new single?
Well, the vibes we see are going on the world, you know. Sometimes you see some normal people just get crazy. And sometimes you see some people do something where you say, yo, what, they hear news, boy, that man did have problem, that man did have, so you know, just give me the inspiration to write a song and create a melody. I know, so yeah, people have problem in the world every day.
So how do you take care of your problems?
Well, how I take care of my problem, I just sing, you know. That's how I take care of my own, so you know. Yeah, that's the road to take care of my problem, is to just sing.
Your songs always have a message. Do you see yourself as a messenger for the people?
Yeah, you know, we're born to do this, and like we are adapt, you know. So, we're born for this, so we have to just push through the work. Guess where Bob Marley come, though? So right now, I tell myself, I pick it up. Garrison, I ask this question, then where is my answer? Them planning again. I see them planning again. Ooh. Yesterday they killed 5 youth, but this time I heard that they're coming for 10.
Them planning again. Them planning again.
The journey for you has been a long road. Talk to me about the musical journey.
Yeah, you know, a long road, but what? We just keep on and we not give up because we say we're born for do it. You know, sometimes some obstacles come our way, but we just go and push them one side and just start sing again and meditate wise and just say, cha, are the devil sending coming on? So what you heard? You sang and beat him down, you know? We just continue to do what we have to do. Well, we born a Majestic Garden, them call it back to. I grew up at Portmore at 6-year-old Newland and then take on to Passage Fort and just take on the whole entire Portmore, you know? To out of Portmore, Kingston, Jamaica, till the name start called London, America, everywhere all over the world now. Real name of Donovan Walker, them used to call me Falcon, who know Falcon, you know. Now, guidance to the world. Well, the first producer, Brown Brothers, them a family, big them up forever, you know. Yeah, with a big hit song. I tell you, say, love what you got, 'cause next year now go easy. And these people too bad for me and many more, you know.
Lots of events are taking place in St. Ann later this month and in March. Let's hear more from the promoters about the events.
Solo Caution. You know, Caution, the 7th anniversary. You know, it's a keep a Roxborough this year saying, you know, it's an all-black event. You know, it's epic. You know what I mean? It's great. You know what I mean? It's a must see. It's a must go. You know what I mean? You all know about it. Caution, we've been doing it for a while, and I'm telling you, this year we're coming real good. Caution will be held at Roxborough. That's in St. Ann's Bay.
When is it going to be held?
It's going to be March 23rd. Yeah.
DBA Carnival, 3rd of April, Discovery Bay, Peach Beach Discovery Bay, St. Ann again. Music by Hyperactive, DJ Liquid, and I'm Johnny Cole.
Bikini rollouts when and where?
March 11th, Salem, Beverly. That's in St. Ann. And it's a ear-to-ear event with Razor B, Tommy Lee, and all the bad artists. It's gonna be mad. It's a ear-to-ear thing, and it's Big Woman Faye event, March 11th. Be there, make it a date. It's a pool party, and it's some bad artists, yeah. And it's at my mansion, actually. I have a big pool in the backyard, so everybody can just come chuck off.
So what's the event called?
OVO. You know, it's an all-white pool party, April the 30th, Salem Resort. Just come check it out. Finger food, VIP settings, don't know, overproof entertainment, OVO. You see me? April the 30th. All you have to do is come in. You know, so the ladies, it's an all-white setting, so just bring out the chicks you see it and just make it be a date. Salem Resort, the 30th, April, OVO, Overproof Entertainment.
ATS, yeah. It's the party for the ladies. It's the Glow Edition, March 5th. Come check it out. Salem Resort.
Tell me the songs that are playing.
Melophonic. We have Bossy Killer and Bonesmatic. Yeah, it's a party for the ladies, them, you know. So come check it out. You know. I deal with the sex, you know. Without sex, the world wouldn't go around.
Well, self-made house party are like the craziest party on the North Coast. You don't know, Old Road, Runaway Bay Center, Hilton Hill, Great House. We have Bossy Killer upon it. We have DJ Butter upon it. It's like a mad. And that does 3 bills to come in. Crazy, crazy, crazy house party. The maddest thing ever. DJ Butter, I say.
Yeah, man, you don't know the third time it keep and you know this baddest party Senton ever see. You see me? Self-made house party. You know, just roll out March 19th. I hate that.
3 bills and I can't holler. 3 bills, can't holler. Maddest house party, I tell you that.
The Caribbean video, Christopher Johnny Daly, and the Magnum Top 10 charts are all coming up after this short break. We'll be right back.